Welcome back to Universities Hub. Today, we're on a mission to discover the top low-fees universities in the UK. Before starting the list, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your mates, and comment your thoughts. Let's get started. The University of Southampton. Located on the picturesque south coast, this institution is renowned for its top-notch education and reasonable fees. With a diverse range of courses and cutting-edge facilities, the University of Southampton provides an excellent learning experience without a hefty price tag. The University of Lincoln. Situated in the historic city of Lincoln, this university offers an array of courses at affordable rates. The University of Lincoln prides itself on a supportive community, modern facilities, and ample opportunities for personal and professional growth. Birmingham City University. If you're looking for quality education in the heart of England without breaking the bank, this university might be the perfect fit for you. Birmingham City University boasts a wide range of courses, strong industry links, and a vibrant student life, all at an affordable cost. The University of Sunderland. This coastal university offers an excellent education at a fraction of the cost. With its focus on practical learning, strong industry connections, and stunning waterfront campus, the University of Sunderland promises an enriching academic experience without the financial burden. Edinburgh Napier University. Known for its supportive environment and innovative approach to education, Edinburgh Napier University provides an array of courses at affordable fees. With its modern campuses and strong emphasis on employability, this university delivers excellent value for money. The University of Bolton. Situated near Manchester, this university offers a variety of programs at competitive prices. The University of Bolton prides itself on small class sizes, personalized attention, and a strong focus on career readiness, making it a fantastic choice for students seeking affordable education. The University of Cambria. Nestled amidst the picturesque landscapes of northern England, this university offers an excellent education at reasonable costs. With its friendly atmosphere, dedicated faculty, and opportunities for practical learning, the University of Cambria is a hidden gem for budget-conscious students. Cardiff Metropolitan University. This institution provides a wide range of courses at affordable fees, making it an attractive option for international students as well. Cardiff Metropolitan University's emphasis on employability and hands-on learning ensures that students get a well-rounded education without breaking the bank. The University of Suffolk. Situated in the historic town of Ipswich, this university offers quality education at a fraction of the cost. The University of Suffolk is known for its strong emphasis on research, supportive faculty, and nurturing learning environment, making it an excellent choice for those seeking an affordable education. The University of Derby. Located in the vibrant city of Derby, this university provides a wide range of courses at reasonable prices. With its modern facilities, industry partnerships, and focus on employability, the University of Derby offers an incredible learning experience at an affordable cost. The top low-fee universities in the UK that offer excellent education without breaking your budget. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you won't miss any of our future educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.